Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to tell you a story. The name of the story is The Little Boy with No Friends. Rajib is a little boy. He does not brush his teeth. He does not wash his hands. He does not wash his face. Even he doesn't comb his hair. It looks like a crow's nest. He does not bathe every day. He wears dirty clothes and he bites his nails. One day, Rajib's classmate Minu invited all the children except Rajib to her birthday party. Rajib felt very sad. His mother found him crying in his room. "What's the matter, Rajib?" she asked. "Minu has not invited me to her birthday party," said Rajib. "Look how dirty you are. You must brush your teeth, comb your hair, and bathe every day. You will have many friends then," said his mother. Rajib realized his mistake. From that day, he started keeping himself clean. Now Rajib has lots of friends. He's very happy now. Thanks for watching.